In this video we are going to see how to get a video output of a mechanism. For this I am going to create a mechanism, so I am entering the assembly environment. Before adding components, I am going to create an axis. Because I need this axis to assemble the first component. Now I am bringing the first component. I am selecting the axis I have created and the axis in the component. The constraint is coincident. Then I'm selecting slider constraint. I'm selecting this plane and this planar face. Now I'm giving OK. Now I'm bringing the second component. I'm selecting this axis and this axis. Now I'm selecting pin constraint. I need one more definition to be defined. For this I'm selecting this face and this face. Now I'm giving OK. I have to assemble the same wheel to all other three sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this repeat. I'm selecting the component 2 from the model tree and I'm clicking on repeat. I have used these two constraints to assemble this component 2 to the component 1. So I'm selecting these two constraints and I'm selecting add. Now I'm selecting the references. Now I'm giving OK. Now I'm going to the applications tab. Here I'm selecting mechanism. So I'm going to provide servo motors for all these 5 connections. First I'm going to give this servo motor for slider connection. I'm selecting this axis. In profile I'm selecting velocity and I'm giving the value. Then I'm selecting servo motor again and I'm selecting this axis, velocity, and I'm giving value. Giving negative value reverses the direction of rotation or direction of movement in case of the slider constraint. I'm giving OK. Again I'm selecting servo motor, I'm selecting this axis and selecting velocity. I'm giving the value. And then on this side okay, finally this way. After providing servo motors, I am clicking on mechanism analysis. Here I am giving the end time and I am clicking on run. I am giving OK. Using rec components I am bringing the component back to the place. Close. Now in mechanism tree select this analysis definition, right click and click on play. So here click this capture and select the saving location. Select MPEG or AVI format. I'm selecting MPEG format. Here I'm giving the image size. If you want photo render frames, you can check this box and select frame rate here. Before clicking OK, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to render tab. I'm selecting scene, clicking perspective view, sharing with reflection. I'm adjusting these settings. I'm giving close and I'm deselecting the spin center. Now I'm clicking OK. You can stop the frame generation at any time by clicking here. Okay, now we'll check the video output.